slime and I bang it up. We banging a window. It's red and we pour it up. My diamonds, they glowing up. She waiting, she wanna fuck. Be patient, I'm counting up.
Alright, what is up guys? RV Stuff back here once again. It's been a while, but I'm back with another review. Gonna review 2 pairs of shoes, this one being the first, and then I'll drop another video for the second. From YesKicks. I do have hopefully a new seller or 2 on the way that I'm going to be trying out, so stay tuned for that. If you're new to the channel, show some love, subscribe, turn on notifications, drop a like. And with that being said, these are the Jordan 1s. I forgot what they're called. They're like something pink, I don't know, I'll figure it out, I'll put it in the title. But anyways, and they are women's, so keep that in mind. I don't know if you can get it in men's sizing. You probably can if you go high enough in the women's, and you have smaller feet for a guy. But just a little disclaimer, these are UA, not retail pair, so if you don't like that, you can get off the video. It's not that deep. With that being said, let's get right into it, man. So these took about probably a week, not even, to get here with FedEx. Pretty fast. The only thing is, here in Canada at least, I usually have to pay a fee for FedEx to actually deliver the shoe. Well, usually they deliver it and then I get like something sent in the mail that I owe them like 20 bucks or something like that, because yeah, custom fees are awesome. So keep that in mind. That's basically it. Box came perfect condition, double box, bubble wrapped, as per usual with the YesKicks, so there's no complaints there. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So let's get into it. These are, like I mentioned, from YesKicks. There's a website, the email, WeChat, and then if you use that code RevStuff, you can save yourself $15 site-wide on your first order with them, so keep that in mind. Here are the shoes themselves. We're gonna toss them to the side. Look at the box real quick. So the box is actually kind of exclusive to these shoes. Kind of looks white on camera, but that's like a light pastel pink all over on like a obsidian color box. Women's Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG. These are size 8. And then there's the colorway as well. Atmosphere, pink, white, black. So an MSRP. Yeah, pretty simple stuff. Inside the box, you get nothing special, just this paper. Got that little authentication sticker or whatever that is. And that's basically all you get. So close that up. Here are the shoes themselves. They're actually really nice, honestly, especially, well, obviously I'm not a chick. I'm not a huge fan of this colorway. On guys, at least, it wouldn't look that great unless you have like a nice pastel pink shirt. I guess you can make it work, yeah. So, but they are nice. So you can see the quality is pretty on point on these. I haven't been able to find a flaw the whole time I was checking them out last night when I got them. So you can see how the pink is kind of iridescent, kind of rainbowy, super nice. And then the rest of the shoe actually isn't really black. I don't know if it'll pick up on camera, but it's kind of this like obsidian blue color, like very dark, but basically black. Looks like black more or less. So but beyond that, sorry, the COVID got to me real quick. Jokes, I'm playing. But yeah, beyond that, you can see the pink all over the shoes. I choked on my own spit. The Air Jordan sign looks on point actually, so that's good. Bag of shoe shape looks proper. Stitching looks good, no sloppy stitching all over the shoe. So yeah, overall quality is like up there on this shoe. Super dope. Even this leather, really plush, just like on the shatter backboards, for example. Super nice leather. Midsole, there's no bleeding or anything like that. From the pink into the midsole. So bottom of the right shoe, pretty sure that's supposed to be there, like a fingerprint or something like that. I don't even know. But yeah, bottom of the right. Inside, nothing crazy going on the inside. So yeah, that's black, and then you can kind of see how the other thing is like obsidian, kind of. So kind of helps just having the color next to each other. But shoe tree. Inside here, Nike Air in that pastel pink. I'm not gonna take the laces out. Here is size tag. And then yeah, some branding. You know how it goes on the Jordan 1s. They're pretty standard now these days with how popular the silhouette is. So you do get 2 extra sets of laces. So you get the black pair on the shoe, you get a white pair, and then you get the pink pair. So yeah, lots of options, you know. Quick little check over of the left shoe, just so y'all can see. No difference in quality, still on point throughout the whole shoe. Yeah, you can kind of see how it's like blue there actually. So, but yeah, overall, super clean pair of kicks. No complaints. Like there's literally nothing I could find on the shoe that was like, oh yeah, that's wrong with it, you know? Like they're just on point all around in terms of the glue, in terms of, you know, the overall build quality and the quality of the materials, stitching, everything just on point. So it's not that often you get that, honestly. There usually is something that you can point out, but I personally haven't been able to find anything on this specific pair. This tongue's annoying me because obviously it's not laced up, so I like just coming out. But yeah, man, that's pretty much it for this review though, guys. Let me know your guys' thoughts in the comment section down below, of course, as per usual. If you're new to your channel, show your boy some love. Stay safe, stay blessed. Stay tuned for more heat. Subscribe, drop a like, turn on notifications if you haven't already, and follow your boy on Instagram at @IReviewStuffTV. Link is in the description as per usual. With all that being said, I'm gonna let y'all go. Enjoy the rest of your day, night, evening, morning, whatever time it is you're watching this video, and I'll catch y'all in the next one.